Here's how to be nonchalant and unbothered. To get in the mindset, start finding a comedic angle to everything. If you trip on stage at an award ceremony, don't die of cringe. Just put your arms up in a ta-da moment and fully embrace the spotlight. Next, pretend you don't have the shame gene and stop worrying about what you can't change. When a teacher announces a pop quiz or your crush leaves you on red, show zero reaction. We are all just tiny specks of dust on this amazing blue planet, so it's never that deep. You must also watch your body language. Don't say no worries when steam is practically rolling out of your ears and your hands are clenched in fist. Instead, develop the perfect verbal and mental shrug for when things go wrong. Finally, realize that you have many seeds in your garden. If one little seed doesn't work out, oh well. You have 1,000 other things going completely right. So just let the drama slide. Remember, you're made of strong stuff, and Let It Go isn't just a theme song. It's now your personality.